Hey dudes, welcome back to day 2 of Morphology. Today we're going to talk about morphemes and what that is, and begin our morpheme analysis with some Anglo-Saxon base words. So the first thing we have to understand when we're talking about morphology is a morpheme. So morphemes are the smallest part of a language that has meaning. So remember, morpheme equals meaning. Not all morphemes are whole words. A lot of the Anglo-Saxon morphemes are whole words, but not all morphemes are. So some examples of morphemes that are also Anglo-Saxon bases are words like bug, we all know what a bug is, and happy. We know what it means to be happy. So you'll notice that I've made the boxes behind the words yellow. For our purposes, morphemes of Anglo-Saxon origin will be coded with yellow. So remember in the last video we talked about the history of English, so we're now going to focus on some Anglo-Saxon morphemes. So in the last video we said that Anglo-Saxon words are common, short, and functional words. We know many of these words already and use them every day. So some examples of these words are bed, like, and think. We know these words and they are short, functional words. Some more examples of Anglo-Saxon base words are words like girl, run, and bag. Remember, these are words, but morphemes are not always words. A morpheme is just the smallest part of language that has meaning. So now that we know what morphemes are, and some examples of Anglo-Saxon morphemes that also happen to be base words, let's talk about morphemic analysis. So morphemic analysis is the process of using the morphemes in words to determine the meaning of the word. The more morphemes we know, the more successful we'll be in doing morphemic analysis. So compound words are a great way to practice morphemic analysis. I'll show you. I have two Anglo-Saxon words here, bed and bug. I know what a bed is. I know what a bug is. And a compound word is a larger word made of these words. So when I put these two words together, I have to think, what is the meaning of bedbug? I can use the morphemes I know to do that. I think a bed bug is a bug that is in the bed. So here is a picture of a bed bug. Ew, right? So let's do another example. I know what a pine is. I know what a cone is. When I put them together, I can determine that the meaning of pine cone is a cone that comes from a pine. If you look closely at the pine cone, you'll see that it's shaped very similarly to a traffic cone. So let's do another one. You know what a cat is. You know what a fish is. What is the meaning of catfish? Not the one that Neve and Max have made it into, but an actual catfish. So exactly, it is a fish that looks like a cat. It has whiskers like a cat. So here's another one. We have back and pack. You know what a back is. You know what a pack is. So what is the meaning of the word backpack? Exactly. It is a back you wear on your, or excuse me, it is a pack you wear on your back. So you notice that I'm always starting with the second morpheme. That's usually the way that you're going to be able to figure out what words mean. Start with the second morpheme. All right, so here's the last one for today. The words are book and store. What is your morphemic analysis of the word bookstore? So remember, you know what a book is, you know what a store is. So together, it is a store where they sell books, like Borders or Barnes and Noble, or Amazon could even count as a bookstore, but I'm thinking of a physical store. So that's it for today. We'll be practicing more of this in the next video. I hope you're having a great day.